Okay, so what we got here is the Honda Civic Type R 2023, brand new. And what we've done is we've installed the Ghost Immobiliser system. So if a thief now tries to copy, clone, or try to steal your car, they will now not be able to start it. So I've got the clutch down, the car will not start, so it is fully immobilized. So what you need to do, you need to enter your code. So reset the system. Okay, so now you enter your code. 1, 2, 4. 2 indicator flashes, and now you can turn the vehicle on. So the code is fully customizable, so you can make it any combination you want. We let you know what buttons you can use on the day. And yeah, if you want this installed on your Honda to protect it, give us a shout. See the link down below for the link for the Ghost 2. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.